In this series of tutorials, we're going to take a look at some financial literacy topics, and most of them are about getting a loan or a mortgage, and so we're going to talk about interest in this one and what interest is. So the question is, what is interest? Now, let's start with an example first. Let's say that you're $100 short of enough money to buy some new runners. So you might ask your parents or a friend to loan you the money. And maybe you have a part-time job and you tell them that you can pay the money back in a week. So you get your needed $100 and then you pay $100 back, end of story. Now, another example. Let's say instead you want to buy a used car for $4,500. So you're probably not going to go to your friend and ask them for $4,500. And maybe you have some money already, but not the whole $4,500. So you go to a bank to borrow what you need. So let's say that you actually had $1,500, so you only need another $3,000 to have the $4,500. So unlike your friend or your parents, the bank is not going to give you $3,000 and just say, pay us back in a year when you get the money. The bank, among other things, is in the business of lending money. Okay, they're a business. And so the bank will charge you a fee for allowing you to have their $3,000 for a period of time. That fee is called interest. Interest is commonly referred to as the cost of borrowing money. Now, the bank might end up, in the end, might charge you, let's say, $600 in interest. So you would pay them a total of $3,600 for the privilege of having their $3,000 to buy your car. And of course, if you don't like how much a bank charges you, then you go to another bank, and perhaps you can get a little bit of a better deal. The interest is normally quoted as a percent, not a specific dollar amount. They're not going to say, we're going to charge you $500 interest or $10,000 interest. So, but however, in the end, you are paying a certain amount of money to use their money for a certain amount of time. Okay, so that's interest. It's the cost of borrowing money. A bank is the most likely place you're going to be paying interest to for a loan to buy a vehicle, for example, or a house. And so they're charging you a fee, it's called interest, for you getting their money for a certain amount of time so you can buy your vehicle or your house or whatever it is. And that's the end of the tutorial.